Oh no.
Oh.
See this ghost?
What? What is that? Is that all the wind coming in? Because I just felt it on my arm.
I don't know what that sound is. It's a monster.
This is how windy it is outside right now.
I'm scared.
I felt that on
What
my
is that
arm.
noise? It sounds like someone dragging a garbage bag.
Does it look like anyone's dragging a garbage bag?
But I hear it. I'm scared. That's scary up there.
Hello?
Hi. Scary.
That's scary.
I don't like this elevator. It shakes. No, don't do that.
I'm scared.
You're gonna kill us all.
So bad,
Yeah? Oh.
Like every elevator you go to, you die.
Okay, you probably shouldn't fall anyways.
They have a brake cable. Apparently.
Apparently. You hope it works though.
Yeah. Today is one of those kitty days now.
Oh, yeah.
All children.
Okay. Yay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on it. We better put it.
There you go. Oh my god, so cute.
Oh. Oh, I thought it wasn't windy. I guess it is. Holy shit! The camera probably can't even hear me. What the hell are you doing? I'm scared. No. Kaze ga tsuyoi! Tsuyoi! Hey. Oh Jesus Christ, you fucking idiot! Get up, you drunk! Come back! Oh! Now you look like fucking idiot! You're joking. I'm fine with that! Why'd you fall?
Because the wiper!
What the hell?
What happens when you don't have perfect balance on it?